In this video, I will show you how to hide address on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over in here on our settings. Once we have done that, we can see in here the shipping and delivery. Under the shipping and delivery, you can actually scroll down and in here you can see this packing slips. So click on this packing slip template and you can see in here your template for your packing slip. So as a precaution, just head over and Control A, select everything and copy it. And then head over and open a notepad. So let's open in here a notepad right here. And then let's paste this code from in here. So this is just a precaution in case you mess up. So what we can do is you can scroll down until we reach around 180s or 170s. Once you see this thank you for shopping with us, you can just scroll down and you know that you're near. You can see the shop address at summary. What you can do is you can head over and then just select it and then remove it. Once it's been removed like this, click on this save option right here. And then once you have done that, click on this preview template and you can see the template of this particular packing slip. So in here, once you have scrolled down, I don't have in here now the option for my actual address. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.